Namaskara. Welcome to Jnanasudha Sanskrit online learning class. In the previous video, we have learned how to pronounce Sanskrit alphabet properly and the place of utterance. In the today's class, we will be discussing about Maheshwara Sootrani or aphorisms of Maheshwara. Please subscribe this channel for more Samskrit grammar basic videos. According to the story, a young boy named called Paanini was studying in Gurukul. From an early age, his intellect was very dull, but he had a lot of ambition to read and study. Thus, one day, with the blessings of his Guru, he goes to the Himalaya to perform meditation on Lord Shiva. As a result of many years of rigorous meditation, Lord Shiva himself blessed him, and Shiva played Damaru for 14 times to bless Paanini. That sound reached Paanini with 14 sutra form. Those are the Maheshwara Sutra or aphorisms of Lord Shiva. This is the basic step of Paanini to write Sanskrit Vyakar. In Paaninian grammar, Sanskrit alphabets are rearranged in the form of formula. There are 14 sutras. For the better understanding of Sanskrit grammar, aphorisms of Maheshwara are very essential. Okay. Now, we will be learning how to pronounce Maheshwara Sootrani in a proper way. A, I, Un, R, Rk, Ye, Om, I, Ouch, Hayavarat, Land, Namagananam, Jhabhang, Ghadhadash, Jabagadadash, Kh, H, Ch, Th, Ch, Chatatau, Kapai, Shashasar, Hal. These are the 14 sutras of aphorisms of Maheshwara or Paaniniya Sutra. These are the very little much information about Maheshwara Sootrani. In the next class, we will be discussing about Sandhi. What is called Sandhi, or the types of Sandhi, and how the Sandhis will get formed. On the next class, we will have a brief discussion on Sandhi. Namaskara.